Hello, my name is Parker, but on the internet I go by the name Bubberific. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, because I have a YouTube channel called Bubberific, but this is Bubberific DeVlogs, because I've always loved to make game development, so we're going to make a parkour game. So right now we're opening up Unity, and we're going to be starting with getting some basic stuff down for our scene, like just renaming it to game, just to have that much more convenience. And we're going to also go into our other settings and make that stuff look great. So right now I am creating a folder, and I'm going to name it scripts, and we're going to get our player movement script. So right now I'm going to make a C# script and call that movement, and this will be sped up a little bit, but I'll still narrate it over it. So right now we're just getting the movement script opened in Visual Studio. I'm using C# as it shows in Unity. So we're going to do a vector3 vector, and that's just basically saying vector3 is now also going to look like that. So it's just more convenient to write. And right now we are just getting basic three-dimensional movement, like up, down, left, right. So we can do that, and I will test that in Unity after saving. So right now we are going to create the player and work on some camera settings. This is a temporary player model because this game obviously just started making, because I obviously just started making it. So right now we are going to move our camera up to a respectable height that would look good for the game. So as you can see, since the transform was not reset on our object, it was you could see it tilted, so I just reset the transform, and that's what I'm doing. And we're going to angle it just a little bit downwards just to make the camera at a good angle. So I'm checking the game view right now just to see what it should look like. So right now I'm making a prefabs folder for future stuff when we do level design. So right now I am just making the main camera a child of the player object, so then we can all look at the stuff and have it all organized for our thing. So then we also have an empty game object that I named world, and we're putting the directional light, or the lighting of our game, and I'm just organizing that under another folder under our world icon, which we will put in there soon. I'm also making a block folder, or empty game object, to store child objects of our future prefabs, which is what we're making right now. So I'm just doing a 10 by 1 by 10 just to make a simple starter platform, which I'm going to name platform, and then I'm going to make other platforms, which are the ones that I just made a prefab, and we're going to move those out throughout our level just as a simple test to make sure all of our movement works. So as you could see, I flew when I was pressing the space bar, so in a little bit we will fix the issue. So as you can see off camera, I did a little bit of bug fixing, and I really just cleaned up the script, and now I'm doing the bug fixing actually right now for the video. So right now I'm just saying if the jump button is pressed, which is assigned in Unity, then make sure it acts as a rigid body to know that gravity is a force. There are a few errors which I'm going to fix right here, just simple ones, like I forgot to add some semi and colons. So we are just changing those, and then making sure everything looks good and that Unity can read it. As you can see, the jumping now works. I'm still have it sped up a little bit just so this can go smoothly. I found that 7 is a good jump height, and I think that is really good. In a future devlog, we can for sure change our stuff to make it look a lot nicer and just work a lot better. But right now I'm just working on the level and just making it look a little bit nicer. Just very simple stuff that would make it look very good for visually, at least in a really early stage, so it's nice to play test and it doesn't feel like we're playing garbage. So yeah, right now I am just coloring the models, and right now I am playtesting. So as you can see, our jumping works great, and the camera follows our player because it's a child of the object, and everything is nice and organized in our Unity scene. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys do enjoy a devlog, because I haven't never made one before. This is obviously my first video on this channel. Subscribe to my main channel, Bubberific, and also other stuff on other channels, such as my main channel, Bubberific. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this type of content on this channel. And yeah, I will see you soon in the next devlog. Bye.